a nice opportunity to be here tonight and actually mingle and on a different level engage with all the people. I think engagement for me is what CXO is all about. Engaging with our peers, engaging with people that's done certain things before from whom we can learn, and then vice versa. So there's often times that we've done something that we can share, but most of the times it's actually a very nice learning platform. I think over the years I've benefited from building friendships, people I can call any day, any time, and just share and say, what have you done, without sort of suppliers necessarily intervening or colouring the picture in any which way. You get a true clear answer. So I think, yeah, for me it's about engagement and sharing.
Yeah, and what I like and I look forward to really is around the benchmark. I'm very excited about that. Getting independent information around stuff what everybody's asking us. And those exceptional events that we can really learn from and take back to the organisation and answer it with constructive data back to the execs that ask questions. So I like the opportunity to mingle, to ask questions. We had such a good conversation tonight about SAP, and that's what it's all about, to have somebody to sound stuff.
Yeah.